explain something.
Hi guys, I'm Lena and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my recent thrift finds. So the first thing today is this dress.
I think all dresses with polka dot print look so romantic and French style. Unusual detail is that usually on skirts and dresses, cut is located on the back or on the sides, but here the cut is right on the front and I think it makes the dress more interesting.
And since this dress is so girly-like, to balance the whole outfit, I wear it with sneakers.
And even like to add a fanny pack to create more street casual look.
The next two pieces are these Calvin Klein jeans that I actually cropped into Bermuda shirts and I wear them like every day. And this red blouse.
This blouse fabric is a mix of silk and rayon that make it so nice to your skin. And I like to wear it fully tucked in, but I also like how it looks out as well.
And I'm in Houston, Texas, so it's still pretty hot outside, but I'm looking forward, so I start to pay attention to more fall winter pieces and found these two cute sweaters.
The first one is so girly, pink and fluffy. Pretty shirt, so I like how it looks with high-waisted jeans. And the next one is this Calvin Klein sweater. This one was originally from men's section and was pretty long, so I cropped it. I like these gray stripes on the sleeves with signature logo.
And the next piece is this snake print shirt, and as you see, the material of the shirt can be pretty tricky, so if you wear the shirt with similar material, you always need to think about what you will wear underneath.
I like how it looks with white cami top, and the snake print here, it's not catchy, it's kind of washy, so the blouse doesn't look provocative, and it's also so easy to style in a casual day outfit. And in this outfit, I'm also wearing one of my recent finds, is this white Zara sandals. I used to like to buy shoes from Zara in the past because they usually do a collection that match my style, and this shoes is so nice. I like the color and these chunky block heels, and I didn't wear them too much yet, but I already can say they're super comfy.
And I'm already wondering how I will style it with total white outfits. And the next two pieces that I found are these two cardigans. As you know, cardigans are a new trend for 2019.
This pink Lacoste one I also cropped. As you can see, I like to crop everything, and the color of it is so nice, kind of warm peachy pink, and this color is so cute for the season. And the second cardigan that I bought, I also intended to crop it first, but I tried it on and I like it as it is so much. It had shoulder pads inside that I threw away already, and as a previous one, instead of wearing this cardigan as it should be with some shirt, I like to wear it as a shirt. Wearing it like that gives you such a cozy and relaxed look.
And moving to the next piece, it's also kind of a recent trend, a tie-dye.
And I decided to play with colors here and found a pants to match some color on the shirt. I think this outfit turned out very lovely, mostly because of the pastel colors. And another cute thing that I found recently is these Coach sneakers. They are basic white sneakers but with multicolor print.
And the last piece that I'm gonna show you today is this wool coat.
And I know it's not the right season to wear it now, but I can't wait to make the winter lookbooks for you with this one.
I'm thrifting a lot, not only for myself but also for my depop shop, so you can check it out. If somebody lives in Houston, Texas and knows some good places to thrift, please let me know in the comments. because I would love to discover some new cool places. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, push the thumbs up, and see you next week.